Top beautiful places to visit in Italy. Ah, Italy. A land where the past and present dance together under an endless sky, where every street, every stone, and every turn holds a story waiting to be discovered. Italy is not just a destination, it's an experience that captivates the heart, mind, and soul. From the sun-kissed shores of the south to the alpine frescoes of the north, Italy offers a mosaic of landscapes, cultures, and histories. Here, beauty is not just seen but felt. Join us on a journey to explore the top beautiful places in Italy, places so breathtaking that they seem woven from dreams. Ready? Andiamo. 10. Cinque Terre. Nestled on the rugged coastline of the Italian Riviera, Cinque Terre is a place where time seems to stand still. Comprising 5 ancient seaside villages, Monterosso al Mare Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, Cinque Terre is a colorful palette of pastel buildings perched daringly on steep cliffs, with the azure sea stretching into infinity below. Beyond its scenic beauty, Cinque Terre is a culinary haven, offering some of the freshest seafood, pesto, and wines that Italy has to offer. The magic of dining in a small trattoria, with a plate of trophy al pesto and a glass of Chaquetra, while watching the sunset paint the sky in hues of gold and pink, is an experience that feeds not just the body but the soul. Here, amidst the laughter of locals and the symphony of waves, one finds a piece of paradise, a reminder of the simple joys of life that often elude us in the hustle of everyday life. 9. Lake Como. Imagine a serene lake, nestled in the lap of the Alps, its waters reflecting the azure of the sky and the green of the surrounding forests. This is Lake Como, a haven of tranquility and beauty in the heart of Lombardy. Renowned for its dramatic scenery, dotted with ancient villas and quaint villages, Lake Como has been a retreat for poets and aristocrats since Roman times, and it's not hard to see why. The lake's eye-shaped form, framed by mountains and embellished with gardens and villas, creates a landscape so enchanting that it seems to belong to a fairy tale. As the boat glides on the calm waters, with the breeze whispering secrets of the past, one can't help but feel a deep connection to the beauty and history that permeate this magical place. 8. The Amalfi Coast. Stretching along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, the Amalfi Coast dazzles with its precarious cliffs, vibrant towns, and the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is like a masterpiece painted by nature and history, where the deep blue of the sea contrasts with the verdant mountains and the rainbow palette of buildings clinging to the cliffs. Towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello are not just destinations, they are experiences, each with its own character, stories, and treasures waiting to be discovered. Ravello, perched high on the cliffs, offers a different kind of beauty, with its historic villas, lush gardens, and breathtaking views of the coastline. Here, amidst the tranquility and splendor, one finds a haven of inspiration and peace, a reminder of the enduring allure of the Amalfi Coast. 7. Venice. Venice is not just a city, it's a living museum, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of humankind. Built on a lagoon, this city of islands, canals, and bridges is a marvel of engineering and beauty, where the past and present flow together like the waters that cradle its foundations. The heart of Venice beats in Piazza San Marco, home to the magnificent Basilica di San Marco and the Doge's Palace, a piazza that has witnessed centuries of history, art, and intrigue. But Venice is more than its postcard-perfect facades. It's a city of vibrant culture and traditions, from the spectacle of Carnival to the quiet beauty of its lesser-known islands like Torcello and Burano. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the Grand Canal, Venice reveals its most enchanting side, inviting one to lose themselves in its narrow alleys, to find magic in its moonlit waters, and to understand why this city has captured the hearts of dreamers, artists, and travelers throughout the ages. 6. Florence. Florence, the jewel of the Renaissance, stands as a monument to the power of human creativity and intellect. Walking through its streets is like wandering through an open-air museum, each step a journey back in time to when artists like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci roamed its alleys, changing the course of art history with their genius. At the heart of Florence is the Duomo, with its iconic red dome engineered by Brunelleschi, a beacon of architectural innovation. Nearby, the Ponte Vecchio spans the Arno River, its medieval shops a testament to Florence's enduring commercial spirit. It's in these places that one experiences the living soul of Florence, a city that reveres its artistic heritage while embracing the rhythm of modern life. Here, amidst the splendor of the past, one finds inspiration, a reminder of the transformative power of beauty and knowledge. 5. Rome. Eternal Rome, a city where history is alive. where every stone tells a story of empires, saints, and artists who shaped the destiny of the Western world. The Colosseum stands as a symbol of Rome's ancient might, its imposing ruins evoking the spectacles and dramas of antiquity. A short walk away, the Roman Forum whispers tales of political intrigue and public life, where the fate of Rome was debated by senators and philosophers. From the Vatican City, home to the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, to the bustling piazzas and charming neighborhoods like Trastevere, Rome invites exploration and discovery. 4. Siena. Siena, the heart of Tuscany, is a medieval masterpiece that captivates with its Gothic architecture, historic traditions, and the stunning beauty of its countryside. The Piazza del Campo, Siena's shell-shaped town square, is the stage for the Palio, a historic horse race that sees the city's contrade districts compete in a display of skill, pride, and pageantry. This event, steeped in tradition and emotion, captures the spirit of Siena, a city deeply connected to its past yet vibrant and lively. Yet it's the sense of community, the warmth of the Sienese people, and the city's immersion in the breathtaking Tuscan landscape that truly defines Siena. 3. The Dolomites. Rising majestically in the northern Italian Alps, the Dolomites are a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth, towering peaks, verdant valleys, and crystal-clear lakes, all sculpted by the forces of nature over millions of years. The Dolomites are not just a destination for skiing or hiking. They are a place of retreat, where one can find peace and rejuvenation amidst the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. It's a stillness that speaks to the soul, reminding us of the majesty of our planet and our place within it. 2. Capri. The island of Capri, floating in the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, is a jewel of natural beauty and ancient history. Famous for its rugged landscape, stunning panoramas, and the enchanting blue grotto, Capri has been a beloved retreat for artists, writers, and celebrities, drawn by its Mediterranean charm and serene beauty. The island's towns, Capri and Anacapri, offer a blend of chic sophistication and rustic charm, with narrow streets, whitewashed villas, and breathtaking views at every turn. But Capri is more than its postcard-perfect scenery. It's an island with a soul, shaped by centuries of history, from Roman emperors to modern-day luminaries. 1. Tuscany. Tuscany. A name that conjures images of rolling hills dotted with cypress trees, ancient hilltop towns, and vineyards stretching into the horizon under the warm Tuscan sun. Tuscany is the essence of Italy, a region that celebrates the art of living through its rich history, its world-renowned cuisine, and its contributions to art and culture. From the Renaissance treasures of Florence to the medieval charm of Siena, Tuscany offers a journey through time, where every village, every landscape holds a story. Here, amidst the gentle rhythms of the countryside, one finds a sense of peace and contentment, a reminder that sometimes the most profound joys are found not in the extraordinary, but in the everyday. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.